What's up folks, Mike here at Watches. Welcome to the video, and today's video is going to be a little bit of a teaser, a little bit of an unboxing of a brand new watch that I've just got in. And if you haven't guessed, it comes from the Marloe Watch Company, and this is the brand new Astro watch. And this watch is set to kind of divide the community on whether they like or dislike it, mainly because this watch is actually a square watch rather than a round watch. But I'm all for something different, so we're going to have a quick sneak peek look at the watch. We're not going to be reviewing the watch in this video, that will come later on. I do actually have two other watches that I'm going to be reviewing on the channel in the near future, so be sure to subscribe and then come back and check those videos out when they go up. But for now, we're just going to have a quick unboxing, have a look what comes with this particular watch. This is the Futura model. They do 4 different versions of the Astro. I've got the Futura model here, which we're going to take a look at in just a second. So this is the box it actually comes in, a black textured box. Quite nice, quite large. So we take that lid off there, and we have what looks to be like a mission patch, similar to what the astronauts would have worn on their flight suits. So Astro, Marloe Watch Company, to the moon and back. That's quite cool. Nice little mission patch. I don't actually have a flight suit or a coat that I could stitch that to, but it's a pretty cool thing to have nonetheless. Then we have a booklet here, Astro. So there's the founders there, Oliver and Gordon. Founders note from them. Looks like there's some interesting read going on in this little booklet. And then there's some information on each of the models. So this is the model we're actually going to be looking at today, the Futura. Having a quick look. There's lots of information there, some technical information. So a nice little booklet that comes with the watch. That's really good. And we have a technical card here. Astro Marloe Watch Company, first edition. And then on the back we've got the technical information, and like most Marloe watches, they're actually numbered, and this is number 2. So that's quite cool. So it's powered by the Miyota 9039 automatic movement, a good solid movement. I've had plenty of watches with that in the workshop. So that's a pretty cool little card. So we lift off the lid. You can see that's quite cool. That's attention to detail there in the packaging, beyond expectation. Nicely finished. I remember the Haskell. When I got the Haskell had a similar kind of material, but it's always nice to see that the time has been spent on the packaging, not just the watch. So there's the watch in the box there. We're going to take that out in a second and have a look at a different angle because of the lighting of the bench. Not really going to see a lot from this top-down angle, but this is a quick look at the watch, the Futura. As you can see, it's very much a square shape. So let's change the camera angle and get a bit of a closer look. So folks, here we go. Here's the watch itself, the Futura model. Very cool square little watch. I like the little crosshairs at the corners of the watch, which represent the crosshairs that you'd find on the Hasselblad cameras that were used during several space missions. There's a window on the case back, so you can see the 9039 Miyota automatic movement. Good quality rubber strap, nicely finished buckle. Very nice, well made, feels very solid, some good weight to it on the casing. I think it's a lovely design, but like I said, this watch is going to be quite the divide for the community, especially the Marloe fans out there, because some people are going to hate it, some people are going to love it, and some people are going to be like, not really sure. But to me, I thought it was a pretty cool and daring watch, almost as daring as the astronauts themselves. So that's my quick opinion on it. So this is literally, like I said, just an unboxing video. We're taking just a very quick look at the watch itself, but be sure to come back and check out the full review, which I will do with some macro close-up shots if I remember to include that in review when that goes up and live, and hopefully not too long from now. But I'm going to wear the watch for a little while, get a little taste for the watch, see how it feels on the wrist and things like that before I give my full opinion. But so far it looks like a pretty cool little watch. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think square watches are good, bad, ugly, indifferent? You think they're good? Do you think it's good to be something different? Whatever your opinion is, whatever you think, leave your comments in the comment section down below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, hit the notification bell if you want to see this video or other videos as and when they come out. And I'm also on Patreon if you wanted to visit that as well, but all that information will be down in the description down below. But until the review video, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one.